Hey guys, so today what we're going to be doing is fishing for silver bass in Detroit River, and we've caught like millions of them so far, so I think we're going to catch a lot today. It's crazy because you can literally use any type of lure and you'll catch like silver bass.
Got it? I think you got one on there already. Keep making it bring us one in the old-fashioned way.
Back.
Figured out the problem. We got a little knot around the tip here.
It's literally like every cast we have. Oh shoot, a go!
I was about to keep that one.
Got one.
It's a frenzy. We'll get a triple header.
Got one. Nice one. Dad, I got a fish on. Sweet, Dad, I have a fish. Got another one. Oh, this is a big one.
You're getting every penny out of this.
It's crazy. They're so big.
Another one.
Look at this thing. It's so big.
I got one.
It's crazy. Okay.
Got one on there. We're reeling. You got one? You got it?
Got one.
Oh, you don't. He just jumped off.
Oh, got one.
Hey.
Hey guys, so that's the end of the video. We caught like a lot of fish, probably 200 fish in all of us, because there's like 5 people fishing. I personally probably have caught like 30 or 40. It was crazy, like just one after the other. I know the video was short, but I couldn't really videotape that much because the river was like just extremely, like it was really choppy, so I didn't want the camera to go in the water. But until next time, we'll see you guys later.
You can narrate too. We're cleaning silver bass. An electric knife. That's gross, eh, buddy?